Hi there, my name is Chubby from Bingwa Services, and I will be showing you how to sign up and place an order on Bingwa Services. Let's get started. First things first, you want to download the Bingwa app on your mobile phone. Go to Play Store, search for Bingwa app and click install. After you've installed the app, go to the login page, and if you are a new user, go to create an account and enter your details. That is your name, your phone or email address, and set a password for your account. After you click register, you will receive a one-time password, so be sure to indicate the code so that you can verify your account and finally get into your dashboard. Now that we're in, be sure to select the customer accounts, click continue, and your account will have been created successfully. Assuming you want to place an order for painting services, just simply click on painting services, and immediately you will get a pop-up of the painters near your area. Remember, with Bingwa Services, you get a chance to compare for prices, so be sure to check out each Bingwa, check out their rates, check out their prices before you can select your preferred Bingwa. After selecting your preferred Bingwa, be sure to click on the rates and make sure to add to cart. After selecting your preferred Bingwa, kindly ensure that the date, the time, the scope of work has been correctly captured as desired. Proceed to finally add your order to cart. Be sure to also note that transport charges will be added to your order total. After confirming all these details, you can go ahead and click Pay Now. As always, be sure to confirm that the order has been placed correctly and the amount that you're going to pay reflects what you had chosen. Before you can even pay, go ahead and confirm your M-Pesa number. After doing this, you will get a pop-up from M-Pesa requiring you to authenticate payment by entering your M-Pesa PIN. Once payment is confirmed, the Bingwa will immediately receive a message and they should be on their way to your location. It's too easy. That's simply how you sign up and place an order on Bingwa Services.